nucleus is where the cytoplasm stays, like a killer whale in the ocean by the bay. Cytoplasm contains all organelles. That's what my science book tells me. Next up is the cytoskeleton. It's made up of protein, fibers, microtubules, actin, filaments, intermediate fibers are all proteins. It keeps the cell in shape like an exercise tape. It helps the cells move like your parents trying to get that groove.
First things first, call the Golgi apparatus. Hold up, I gotta put it on my Facebook status. Works very close with the bumpy Stop right there, don't go too far. Green tracks, the testicles are made. It's almost like the 99 highway. Testicles are created and released. It goes inside of the tickety. See? It's shaped like IHOP pancakes. You got no time for those fakes. You'll also find some ribosomes up in there mixed lysosomes. Now we're off to the lysosomes. Hold enzymes like your own. Created in the rough ER. Even ask Mr. Ma. Gets packaged and sent to the Golgi apparatus. Almost like you're eating a very short cactus. Creates digestive enzymes. Don't worry, it doesn't take a lifetime. They're single membrane organelles. Oh my Jesus, that smells. Works when the cell eats food. Can fit in your body like a boom. Let's take it to the mitochondria. Like you're going to District Columbia. The function is a powerhouse. Even when you're putting on a blouse. Sometimes it gets insane. That's right, it has a double membrane. Yeah, even has its own DNA. Then we're gonna go to RNA. It became that ATP like OG.
So the nucleus is like the control center, but wait, it gets a whole lot better. It makes RNA, has DNA. Now don't forget about that protein and chromatin that looks like a bobby pin. It's like the head of a meetin. Now move on up to the nucleolus. It makes some ribosomes, don't act dumb, and text it on your phones. And the nuclear envelope protects the cell like strawberry soap. It can't be tamed, it has a double membrane. Like castle walls to the nucleolus so the goggles won't break in and steal it all. It can only be found in the eukaryotic cell. It separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm. It helps the protein and chromatin move around and get on their way.
I need to tell you about my ribosomes. They make proteins, they make me strong in my bones. The rough ER holds my ribosomes. That's where you'll be finding many homes. In the rough ER, they're making hormones. Messing my emotions, getting in my zones. It's really annoying, but it helps my body. I need to go on Facebook and find me a hottie. And then smooth ER, that is my storage organelle. That is a very important part of myself. And without it, I wouldn't know a thing like that voice in my head that goes ping, ping.
Girls in the classroom are always hard. Come talk to math, you'll be a piece of lard. No, nothing I like but rap science. Don't quote me, man, or you'll be out of the air. Woo! Snap!
Well, I'll start y'all out with the cell membrane. I'll take it slow, homies, you don't go insane.
Green tracks, the vesicles are made. It's almost like the 99 highway. Vesicles are created and
Like castle walls to the nucleolus so goggles won't break in and
do my best, Dennis!